it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Shadow the Hedgehog in side view. Alrighty, so let's get started, okay? Let's get started, right? I'm excited about the new Sonic movie, by the way, so shadow line right here. We're going to start down there. We're going to pull a pretty big line up over here, kind of like for the top part of his eye. Like so. Okay. Gonna go over here and I'm gonna pull downward. Kinda, you can see the eyeball itself, right? And what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna start with the mouth area, kind of that curve, straight line right there. Gonna pull up just a bit over here, up over here. It's gonna curve around the corner over here. Right there for the kind of the back of the mouth area, right? Right on. So far, so good. Like I said, this is for beginners, and you just want to get close enough. You don't have to be, like crazy dead on the whole, measurements or anything like that. We're just having fun here. So we're gonna let that overlap, and then we're gonna come downward right here, downward right here. Okay. Good, good. Just kind of be there. Over here, we're going to do the front of the brow, right here, moving back. Okay. Say hi to me, by the way, if you're in the comments. I'd love to see somebody say, "Hey, what's up?" If you can hear this right now, say, "Hey, how's it going?" Like, type it in, because then it lets me know if you're watching. And I'll do it for even old videos, even like old video. Go back, say hi. I will reply to every single comment. Okay. Try me, test me. I will do it. Oh man, now I'm asking for it, but test me. Down here for the front, right where the nose is going to begin, but we're going to pull back right here. Line right here. And we're going to leave a little space there because he's got this kind of like fuzz on his chest, right? That's a difference between him and Sonic, one of the differences. Let's go into his nose first, though. Line out, down, pull in. Circle. All right. And then we're going to fill in the rest of this nose. We want to fill it in. There we go. Right on. And we're going to put like a U shape right here for his eye. It's like a U shape right there. It's gonna, it's hiding underneath the hood of that. Okay, doing pretty good so far, I think, Okay, let's go over here and find the mouth. Line over here. Okay. Down just a bit for the edge of that. And pull back over here. Line in the front. Kind of darken that in there. Now we're going to draw a line, 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 line for kind of like the teeth there. Pretty good so far. Let's go back into the eye and draw a highlight right there. It's just a small circle. That's all you got to do. And then we're going to draw a dot right here. Cool, cool, cool. Let's go into the unique part of the eye right here. He's got this color change over here. So from this part of the ear, we're going to go line out. Not too far. He's got this like eyeliner thing going on down right there. Really unique. Really very, very unique. Okay. Let's go over here to the chest, and I'm going to go line up, down. Over here, line up, down. Line up, down. Line up, down. Line over here, down. Line over here, down. Okay, it's kind of like a heart almost in a way, but it's made of fuzz. Okay, really good so far. So now we're gonna go back here, and I want to find the spikes over here so they don't go off the page. So, and then it's a little bit of a different approach. Start with a dot over here, kind of behind, back, up. Right there, that spike is going up. Another big difference between Shadow and Sonic. He looks so cool in the movie, by the way. I mean, right now, as I'm doing this, just a trailer. Downward right here. Pulling in downward just a bit, but not all the way, okay? Because we have to draw another spike over here. Don't forget, there's a lot of cool things in the description. There's a ebook on how to draw cute things. So cute things tend to be larger head with a shorter, small body in proportion. But how big do you draw that head, right? How big do you draw that body? How far is such a big head that it's chibi now, right? Where like the bodies are like nubbed characters, like the hands are nubs instead of hands, or more like this, right? Where they're more animated, they have cartoon hands. Where do you do that stuff? I made a 10-page ebook it's a guide for you to use forever, and it just kind of shows you that. It is printable if you want, but if not, you can just see it on your phone, and it gives you that stuff. So if you ever want to really draw cute characters, draw a ton of them, make your own stickers, do whatever you want, you have the tool to do that with this guide. And I give it to you totally for free. So all you got to do is go into the description, download it. Otherwise, in the description, there is, go check out the main website at sketchmonsterart.com, and there's merch there. But yeah, thanks so much. So let's go back into this, okay? Line underneath here. Up as well, curves up. Down. Like there. Right on. Doing really good. We're going to go over here now. We're going to pull so we're going to find the ear. The ear is going to be, we're going to find the brow. Brow right there. Let's find the ear, which is a little bit above here. Maybe mark the front of the ear over here. So up, down, and then inside right here, up, down. Right on. And then now we're going to draw the front of the head, okay? So curve, and then you want to follow, like imagine where it's going to appear on this side because you want it to flow. So imagine in your mind's eye, estimate, it's going to come out over here. Outward there, downward. And then the ear on the far side, which is, you can't really see the inside of it. Now let's do the unique things he has. So we're going to draw a line over here, up over here for kind of the red mark right there. Downward, up for the red mark right here. Downward, up for the red mark over here. And that's it. You just drew Shadow. Amazing. He's facing the side right there. And I will talk to you very, very soon. Stay right here for the next drawing lesson. But please, if you want to do something to help the channel out, share the video with a friend or anybody, or just hit that like. It helps so much. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video. Stick around. Let's start the next one. Okay, so that was amazing. You finished this lesson, but keep it going. Keep the art practice going by clicking this video right here. It's going to be within the same theme, and you want to keep it rolling to get better and better and better and get that art flow going. So click right here.